everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another cooking video, and today I'm just going to have a short one for you. So, quick backstory, I was browsing through TikTok the other day, came across a couple cooking videos, and I saw something in a video that I thought, that's actually a really good point, and I should tell you guys about it if you've been watching my videos. So, today I'm going to be showing you a little bit of a hack on how to get super fine diced onions. So, you guys are probably already familiar with the kind of traditional way of doing this, which of course is just we slice our onion like so, kind of make little lines into it, and then we go ahead, cut it in half that way. And then you can go ahead and dice your onions, and of course you get some nice dicing there. But how do we get them super thin or brunoise? Well, what if I told you the secret was just to simply go ahead and peel individual layers of your onion? Because that way, you start off with a much thinner piece. Then we can go ahead, cut our onions into nice little thin strips, like that. And then we can go ahead, line them up on our board, like so, and voila. We cut them, and now you see we have those very small, super fine dice, or as we call them in the culinary world, brunoise. So there we go, guys. That's it. That's a quick little simple hack. If you guys already knew about this, great. If not, hope this helped you. Go ahead, grab yourself an onion, practice it for yourself at home. But yeah, just a little quick one today. Just wanted to share that little tip with you. So if you enjoyed it, thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Check out some more of the videos, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.